Hi everyone, welcome back. Probiotics, as I'm sure you all know by now, are microorganisms that, when consumed, can provide health benefits. They maintain and restore our natural bacteria in the gut, aiding in digestion and boosting the immune system. Lactobacillus acidophilus is one of the most commonly used probiotics, and supplementing it can offer many benefits. So in today's video, we will discuss what Lactobacillus acidophilus is, why it may be beneficial to consume, how to incorporate it, and for some precautions to be aware of. Hi, I'm Katie Bailey, and I'm a registered dietitian at Fluso Nutrients, where we provide supplement education and professional quality supplement options for you, just to make the world of nutrition supplements a little bit easier to navigate. As always, make sure you check with your nutrition literate healthcare provider before making any changes or adding anything new, as we can't possibly know your full medical history to provide a personal recommendation. So without further ado, let's jump into today's topic. Lactobacillus acidophilus, often simply referred to as acidophilus, is a type of lactic acid bacteria that's found naturally in the body, in the mouth, the intestines, and the vagina. It's also found in fermented foods like sauerkraut or yogurt. It's known for its ability to survive the journey through the GI tract without being killed by our stomach acid in the process. Acidophilus produces lactic acid as a byproduct of carbohydrate metabolism. This acid helps control the growth of harmful bacteria, thus maintaining a healthy balance in our gut. It also produces an enzyme called lactase, which aids in the digestion of lactose, making it beneficial for those with lactose intolerance. So now that we know what acidophilus is, let's talk about the benefits. The first benefit I want to talk about is that it can promote gut health. It aids in digestion, like we talked about with the lactase production. It helps to absorb nutrients and can fight off harmful bacteria in the gut, making more room for the growth of the beneficial bacteria. It helps to maintain the integrity of our gut lining, which can help prevent leaky gut, and it stimulates the production of mucus in the gut, creating a barrier against the harmful bacteria. Studies have shown that it can also help with the symptoms of IBS, Crohn's, colitis, and can be used to treat or prevent yeast infections as well. The second benefit I want to talk about is that it has immune boosting properties. It stimulates the production of antibodies, which strengthens your immune response against pathogenic microorganisms. Some studies have shown that it can help reduce the severity and duration of things like the common cold by boosting your immune system. And lastly, although there are some mixed results, there have been some studies that have shown that it can help to prevent or treat diarrhea. All right, so now let's talk about how to incorporate it. So although acidophilus is found naturally in the body, it can be beneficial to supplement it as well. It can be found in capsule or powder form. In the powder form, you can sprinkle it over yogurt, on oatmeal, on top of salads, or add them to smoothies. Or you can simply just mix it into your favorite beverage, as it doesn't alter the taste of whatever you add it to. And you can take it with food or before bedtime. Although acidophilus is generally safe for most people, there are some considerations to keep in mind. When starting probiotics for the first time, some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, which may just be because their body isn't used to this new bacteria, and they may just need to incorporate it a lot slower and give their body some time to adjust to the bacteria. Some acidophilus supplements also contain small amounts of lactose. So if you have a lactose allergy, you'll need to look for a supplement that is lactose-free. Lastly, if you have a weakened immune system or are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's a good idea to check with your healthcare provider prior to starting any new supplement, including probiotics. To wrap up our topic for today, Lactobacillus acidophilus can provide you with many health benefits, including promoting digestion and gut health and boosting your immune system. So whether you're dealing with digestive issues, wanting to boost your immune system, or simply wanting to improve your overall health, Lactobacillus acidophilus can be a great addition into your diet. I've linked a quality Lactobacillus Acidophilus supplement below in the description box if you're interested in incorporating it into your routine. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more nutrition videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.